Hi, I'm Chereyle from Hastings Family Service. This year's ELF, and we're here to present Oliver with the coloring contest prizes. We won a gift basket for participating in the Holiday Training Coloring Contest. It's open to all students in Hastings from grades K through 4 and all elementary schools. And so we had a lot of people that colored, and we saw some beautiful pictures. But his was really special and stood out to us.
Congratulations, Oliver!
Come see what you won. You got a stocking full of goodies and a basket full of goodies. How do you like that? Thank you for participating, Oliver, and being a good student.
Did you look this way?
Yeah, I think Mom might use this.
Yeah, that might be okay. I think he wanted to show his buddies in the class.
All right.